Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix WePlay app not working. So if you're currently having problems that your WePlay app that is not working and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what you're going to do firstly is to actually close your WePlay app, and instead we're going to go into the settings app on our phone. So now on your settings app, then what you're going to do in here is to just scroll down and then you're going to click on general. So as you can see, you should now be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So on this page, just scroll down a little bit and then click on storage in here. And as you can see, you should now be taken to this page, which is great. So now what you're going to do on this page is to just simply scroll up like this until you can see the search bar up top, as you can see. So just click on the search bar, and then in here, just simply search for WePlay, and then click on the WePlay app. And now click on offload app, and once again, click on offload app in here, as you can see, and then click on the blue button here once again, and now just simply wait for your WePlay app to completely update to its latest version. Because actually once I did this myself, it actually worked after that. So I guess that maybe when there is like a new update on the app, we need to get it to be able to fix all the bugs that was in the previous update. So try this and hopefully now it's going to work for you as well.